How to fix low call volume on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the local volume on iPhone device. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your volume isn't turned down. If it is turned down, you want to check, you want to turn it off and check. Now if it is turned up and you still see that the call volume is low, then you want to check your accessibility settings. Now you can simply head over to settings. Once on settings, you want to find the accessibility option here. Tap on it and open it up. Here you want to find the option that says touch and you want to tap on it. And now here under touch, you want to scroll down and you'll find the option that is call audio routing. You want to tap on it. You want to make sure that it is on automatic. Now sometimes if it is on Bluetooth headset or speaker and the particular device is not connected, then it might cause the error on the call. So you want to make sure that it's on automatic as well. The other way what you can try is you can enable and disable the airplane mode on your device. This might fix the issue. And then try and toggle on and off your Bluetooth. It might just be a glitch or a bug. So these are the basic fixes for the low call volume on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.